We stick together, and we're pretty tight little group. We've been performing in this area since 1975. We had a shop on Escondido Boulevard called the Tiki Hut, and we started dancing way back in 1975. We took a little break for a while, came back about 10 years ago, and now we're probably, between the college and our home group and everything we do, we're probably about 60 or 70 strong. And we really enjoy performing for the local funk crowd right here. We're here every other Friday at the Wave Shop, one of our biggest sponsors and supporters. We're going to stay on the island of Hawaii, and we're going to do a lot of our numbers are sung in Hawaiian. This number also is in Hawaiian. This is a sassy, a little bit sassy, a little bit saucy hula. It talks about papalina lahi lahi, which means, papalina means cheeks, lahi lahi means moist or misty. And Hawaiian is a very difficult language to translate and then to interpret. But whenever Hawaiians are speaking of a flower, most often they're talking about a dear, a loved one, or a girlfriend, or a boyfriend. And whenever things start getting damp, or misty, or dewy, things are getting heated up. But a good indication of what's going on in the song is always watch the dancers, and watch their hands and their motions. Papalina lahi lahi.
Hey aloha vauia oela, ko papalina lahi lahi. Ka ho'ohunu mau ia la, I ka hune o ke kai. Hey aloha vauia oela, ko papalina lahi lahi. I ka ho'ohunu mau ia la, I ka hune o ke kai. Ahano ho'i ka hula, ke ala ki ana mai. Ua I ke ihono oela, e ua oe ua ako ia. He ahano ho'i ka hula, o ke ala ki ana mai. Ua I ke ihono oela, e ua oe ua ako ia. Pawe he malele I ala mai ke o aka hiku. He ahano ho'i ka hula, I ka pula le lale ana mai. Pawe he malele I ala mai ke o aka hiku. He ahano ho'i ka hula, o ka pula le lale ana mai. Haina mai ka puhana la, ko papalina lahi lahi. Haina ho ka puhana la, he aloha wau ia oe. Haina mai ka puhana la, ko papalina lahi lahi. Haina ho ka puhana la, he aloha wau ia oe.
Taking it off, baby. Let go, let go, let go. Really? Papalina lahi lahi.